No matter what you paid, it's stupid.
Go
I'm
around.
not getting out. That's the new car alert. No, don't even film me, please.
New car alert. I hope this ain't it. Oh, it is it. Oh no.
No, don't even film me, please.
I didn't think this was it coming down the block.
That's the new car alert.
Our new tow vehicle. I'm making a whole new business out of it.
It looks like a dump.
I don't think it's a tow truck. It looks like a
Are you fucking kidding me?
landscaping truck.
What was this? Your father-in-law's truck?
No, I went out and bought it.
No, you did.
I never even heard of an
Use
F550.
your own money.
I didn't know they made it that big.
Look how cool this is, Fasha. Stand right there.
Oh, wait.
He's gonna dump something?
Look, it's got a dump bed.
Fozzie, look out!
So what's that got to do with a tow thing?
We can make a mobile mechanic shop.
You could have done a mobile car wash, but you didn't.
This is weird.
This is stupid. Where's he gonna keep this now? Park it over here?
You need a license to drive that?
No, it needs to be.
That's a trick question. You need a license to drive everything, Nikko.
It's just a commercial vehicle, so you can't drive on the parkway or anything.
This is cool.
Isn't it cool?
What are you
Look.
gonna do with it? You can't drive on the parkway. How are you gonna get to the shop?
We'll put the trailer on it. We'll make a mobile mechanic, so everything we need if it breaks
Here comes
down.
the other one.
Here comes the other ass.
Here comes the other one. New car alert!
Is this one from Danny's dad?
Is this the new whip?
It's a new one. Bowser's not impressed.
Why not? You want to drive it?
No.
It's a one owner, 2008.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's very nice of him.
I'll say the thing I say all the time. You should have left it with the one owner. What are we gonna do? This is stupid. No matter what you paid, it's stupid.
I'm making a new business out of it.
Okay, good luck.
Good luck, brother.
Good luck to you and your wife.
You don't like it,
Tiger, where's it
Pasha?
going? No, I don't
I
like it.
think it's nice.
It's a 2008 turbo diesel, 6.4, 174,000 miles.
Yeah, I know. They last the 500,000 miles, right?
One owner,
I was gonna say
dump
300,000.
bed. You could do anything you want with it. It could become a demolition person, landscaper, tow vehicle,
Very nice.
mobile, whatever you
Hey,
want.
so you nuts?
You want to drive it, Fasha?
No.
Why not?
That'd be good content. Let's drive it.
Come on, let's all three of us go around the block.
I'll get in the back.
No.
If it just made a 2-hour trip here.
Really? Can smuggle some stuff across the border?
Probably as I was riding them. It's a big, heavy, 8,000-pound truck. Here, Fasha.
I'm not driving this fucking thing.
Come on. It drives like a regular truck. Come on, let's all go. We can all fit.
Good luck, Faja.
You know how Dad stops? He's gonna go right.
Why do you keep saying it's nice? Film Maja. All right?
Hi, Maja.
Hi. I think it's a great job. You did it.
Fans always want to see Maja, so film her.
It even came with muffins and cereal.
Ooh.
What are these little things in the front here?
They're called lights.
I don't know. There might be lights.
Tony, what are these things?
It kind of looks like your truck, Antonio, for a 20-year difference. It's pretty crazy.
Nikko, what are these stupid little things? Sensors?
I don't know.
All right, let's drive it. I'll get in the middle. Faja's gonna be able to hop up in here.
Broken.
Nice headliner, nice headliner. Oh, it's got no radio, bro.
Let's see if Dad knows how.
Easy peasy,
Your
Faja.
headliners.
Oh, yeah,
pretty
beautiful.
shitty.
You never know what we're gonna drive on this channel. Watch out for that truck.
Woo! You hear that turbo?
Oh, this thing's got some power.
It's gotta have power.
Like fucking far.
How do you back up? Can you see behind you?
Nah.
These big mirrors.
How can I see behind me?
Use your mirrors.
Is there anything behind you?
Still can't see behind me.
We're getting some looks. I think that lady gave us a thumbs up.
Yeah, okay.
Save me.
Woo!
Thumb up your wrist.
Let's go pick some stuff up.
I know. I just want to use it. Like,
Yeah, okay.
cool.
Instead of
You want to
using
pick? You want to go garbage picking or go pick up
you
Christmas
should
stuff?
lose it. I don't know why you bought this. You guys want this?
Yeah. Show them a real truck.
It's a perfect
What are you gonna do with this?
right on
Really?
the block.
It's fucking
Remember,
stupid.
It's a work truck.
I'm gonna pick up some couches.
It's stupid.
It's got a dump bed. Ah! It's got a dump bed.
We saw that, brother. That's the first thing we saw.
The diesel. It would tow our cars pretty good.
You can't go anywhere with this thing.
Why not? This will outperform Mel's truck every day of the week.
Why, Mel's got a diesel, don't he?
No, he's got a fucking gas powered.
Let's go steal all their decorations, Version.
I know, right? We'll just load them right
That's
up in the back.
Anthony's grandparents' house. Van Anthony, come on, sometime today.
AC, it has AC. Make sure you don't hit any of these cars. You think
Little bit of
the
gas.
squirrel make an appearance?
Oh. Yeah, Fuzz, you're pretty wide right now. A lot of cars in front of us.
I know, right?
Pick the wrong block to turn down, Fuzz.
That's why I'm in the middle.
Oh, there's
okay?
a lawnmower. You should go grab that. Actually, go around the block.
No.
Go around the block. We'll start the business.
No,
Go-
I'm
go-
not
go to
taking
the-
anything out of the
You're the
street.
garbage man. I don't. Come on, I'll help you. Go
I'm
around.
not getting out.
We'll get it. We need it for the content.
Make
It's
a
good.
left. Make a left.
Fuzz gets mad, it cuts to Nikko putting it in the trunk.
I don't know. I don't want to do it.
Then I'll
Well,
do it.
nobody's doing it then.
Sal will do it.
Sal can't lift it.
Why, you calling him a weak?
Yeah. Oh, we're getting tight here.
Sal, shut up with tight.
If we hit anything, I'll delete the video.
So if you guys are seeing this, Fajr didn't hit anything.
I drove the fucking town truck for fucking 50 years.
So you could look. We all could go out together like
Yeah, you're
this.
not going out. What's this?
Well, I
thing?
know. What can we pick this up? What is that?
Look at that! Garbage! I don't know what that is. I don't want that one. We're going picking!
Just take a picture of the mower.
We could.
That's it.
I could sell the truck with a lawnmower.
Yeah, okay.
Paredes pickers.
It don't work if it's out in the street,
Well, we got Antonio.
okay?
Take a left.
Yeah, we'll help Antonio make some money.
That's how. Fuck you, okay? How's that?
Let's take this basketball hoop.
Just go around the boat and pick up everything. What can we put in the truck today?
That's a good series right there. That's a tight turn, Fuzzy.
Would you shut up?
There's
All right, where is it?
You guys ain't taking it. Right people are home.
Was it in the garbage? or
Dad
is it
used
not
to
in
be
the garbage?
notorious for picking in the garbage.
Is it in the garbage?
It is. It looks like it.
We gotta ask.
I think it's in front of the black truck. Oh, more. Oh, wait.
Someone
How
taking
are we
it?
gonna get through here now?
Oh no.
Huh?
I guess we have
Go.
to turn to the right.
Yeah, that is in the garbage.
All right, we taking it. Oh, there's people outside.
There's people
Never
right
mind.
there. We're not
Keep
taking
going.
it.
Never
All
mind,
right, so
never mind.
we'll come back. Oh yeah, there's 100 people. See, Dad would still pick it up. You know who should go?
No, I would not.
Dad, you brought home TVs from the trash.
I did not.
When I was
I
little.
got those things from people
trash.
that live near the park.
Yeah, in the trash.
That gave them to me, not in the trash.
All right, we chickened out.
No, that would have been perfect to sell.
Nick, that thing would never fucking run, okay? You see what it fucking looked like?
You see what you look like, and you're still kicking.
Okay?
It wasn't. It didn't look like a very good model lawnmower.
It ain't. It's a fucking like
Trying to run over the
$99
garbage bags.
fucking piece of shit.
Oh, he came really close. We found the lawnmower. We went around to go pick it up. Start our landscape company.
Stick the key up your wrist.
Why would I do that?
There's a whole yard of people over there. He wanted to stop and take the fucking lawnmower.
We should have just asked them to put it in the back for us.
What do you think, Fajr? What do you think it's worth?
Nothing.
That dump bed alone's like $7,000.
This is 100 grand right here.
truck brand new, one owner. It's definitely like 50, 60 grand new.
There's a $100,000 truck because you can start a business and make $100,000 with it.
And this could be yours for $12,500.
That's not bad to start your business.
I know. Yeah, this is a perfect truck for somebody to start a business.
Yeah. He said, nice Mustang?
Yeah.
I thought he was going to say something about our awesome truck.
I know. That's
What did he say?
Nice Mustang. Mustang is how they say Mustang in Spanish.
Mustang?
I could have fucking guessed that.
Yeah, that's pretty close. There comes this couple.
Another work truck. How's it going? We got one of these trucks and all the workers just come by.
They're just fucking waving. They don't know you.
We're one of them now.
Yelled to them, I go, you want to buy this piece of shit? They were at Giovanni's house out front.
They're our kind of people now, Fazia. We're hardworking men now.
Yeah. I'm not going in the landscape business, all right?
Why not?
So this truck will be for sale for $12,500. It's an awesome landscaping truck. It was used to take care of, it was used to landscape all the Hamptons.
Wow.
So it was a high-end landscaping truck.
Nice.
dump bed. We're gonna put doors on the back.
Do you need to do that?
Why do you gotta put doors on the back?
Because
Doors. Oh, you know.
Why do you gotta do that? Let somebody that buys it.
Oh, you know. What they put across.
I'm gonna turn it into a cereal truck.
a cereal truck.
Our first load.
You need a whole big dump truck. Wait, Sal, you too lazy to grab it out of the bed? I got you. Hold on.
Sal, you can do a thing like that pretzel commercial.
Now that's enough to make you order a special delivery.
Oh, he's coming. I got it. All right, what angle is that? About 45 degrees?
That, it's an acute angle, right, Sal?
So acute. Yeah, I would say that's acute.
I'm gonna take a picture with it up in the air like that.
How far does it go?
I don't know.
90?
Danny's
Why don't you
dad,
lay under it while we put it down?
Danny's dad wouldn't show me anything. He said, learn on yourself.
We're learning. You think we could send a car up there?
We could.
Make a sick ramp, Faja.
That's fucking stupid. How
All
you
right.
gonna get it to the shop? You can't go on the parkway.
Oh yeah, there's only one way to get to the shop. I just made it from the Hamptons.
Yeah, you came Sunrise Highway. You can go on Sunrise Highway.
New car alert.
I have no use for a dump bed, but I think it's so cool.
It is cool.
We just want to use it for everything.
It's actually pretty quick. Wow, that took like 5 seconds. I should have did a drone shot for this one. Well, maybe we'll make some money on this one. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.